Welcome to Image Designer. Today we will be learning about how we can remove the background of an image just in 1 minute, less than 1 minute. So first of all, let me show you. This is the previous image before removing the background, and this is the final image after removing the background. So how I have done this. It is very simple. You don't have to go to Photoshop and other tools and just erase and remove everything. It can be done in just 10 seconds. So just what you have to do is you have to make sure that you have the plugin which is called remove bg. So this is the particular plugin that I want you to install, and this is a very useful plugin. So now what you have to do is select the particular image that you want to remove the background from, and then after selecting the image, just right click, go in your plugins and select remove background. First of all, if you are running this plugin for the first time, then what you have to do is, instead of going to run, because it will never run if you are running the plugin for the first time, so you have to get on set API key, and when you will click on set API key, then it will give you this instruction. You have to just follow these instruction. You have to go to this website and paste your API key over there, and then you can easily use the plugin. So after doing all that, now your plugin is ready to use for infinite number of times, and you don't have to set the API ever again, just one time thing. And then after that, you just always have to use the run command. And when you use the run command, I have to click over here, and after clicking it will say running remove bg, and you will see that it will remove the background and the image will become just like this. Yes, done. So this is how you can easily remove the background of any image. Doesn't matter how many disturbances there are in background. If your first image that you want is highlighted in the image, the plugin will already understand it. It is easy to make remove backgrounds of images of people, portraits, and other things like that. So you can easily use that in your design. So that was all. Like the video and subscribe the channel for such upcoming tips and tricks from my side.